Are you planning an international trip soon? Then you need these items. These are travel essentials from Amazon I've actually used on my trips and loved. Before I jump right into the list, hi, I'm Juhui. I'm a Korean New Yorker. I love traveling around the world and sharing my travel experience on this channel. Join our fast-growing travel planning community by clicking the subscribe button for free.
Here it is.
Here it is. When it comes to packing for Europe, I always have this dilemma of wanting to pack light, but also wanting to bring a variety of clothes. Imagine if I'm wearing the same clothes for all these photos. I also need to bring my hairstyling tools and more than one pair of shoes. So there's absolutely no way I can fit everything in one carry-on for a week-long trip. But I also hate checking bags.
20 minutes until the gate is closed. Where are our bags?
Yes, I have my share of awful checked bag stories. Good news is I found a solution. This personal bag allowed me to pack a lot of clothes and it fit perfectly underneath the seat in front of me. So I didn't need to check my bags nor compromise on my outfits.
I'm pretty happy that I was able to fit a lot of clothing just in one bag here.
And then pack heavier and bulkier and breakable items such as electronics, shoes, hairstyling tools, and toiletries in my carry-on.
And so far, no one had a problem with the size of the bag. I think this is a really standard size for personal items.
I definitely recommend checking with your airline to see if this bag is the right size for your flight. But I can tell you that I had no problem bringing it on Delta and KLM Dutch Royal Airlines. So this is 18 by 14 and 8 inches high. So this was a little bit deeper than my carry-on, but I was still able to place it on top of my carry-on and have just one bag to carry around throughout my entire Italy trip. Now, in terms of the quality of this bag, I don't know if I can say this bag is made to last forever. It is pretty thin material, but the fact that it is made with a thin material and with very minimum design, like there's no compartment inside, as you can see. And that is exactly why this bag can give you the maximum storage allowed for personal bag.
I found that this bag is great for packing clothing because clothing, you don't need to be careful about it because it's not a fragile item.
The bottom line is this bag is so affordable, and I think it comes with 6-month warranty plus a minimum 12-month extension upon product registration. If I have an 18-month guarantee on this bag and it only costs $13, even if I travel once and use this bag once, I can save at least $100 in baggage fees for a round trip. So it's a no-brainer. If you're like me who loves to bring a lot of clothes to a vacation, you will definitely enjoy having this bag. This comes in a variety of colors, so check out the link in the comment below.
This personal bag thing worked out pretty well, right? I love this bag. Let's see. Wow, nice.
I don't know about you, but I usually upgrade my phone whenever I have a big international trip coming up. I mean, of course, not every year. I upgrade phone like every 2 to 3 years. I want to be able to take the best quality photo possible, right? But nothing can ruin your expensive international trip faster than you dropping your brand new phone and crack the screen of your device. We've all been there, right? So this time around, I order this brilliant item from Amazon.
It's a really simple little strap, but it really keeps your hands
free, and it doesn't matter how slippery the phone is, I can just easily hold it. So good. Hang it, I can kind of like stretch it, tighten it, so I can hold it at a very long distance, and it's easy to support.
Yep.
And the pinky doesn't hurt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and it's very stretchy, so like he has bigger hands than mine, but like no problem.
And I still use this every day, so I guess this is not just a travel essential, but an everyday essential. This comes in a variety of colors and sizes, so check out the link in the comment below. The next item is also a travel essential and everyday essential. a compact powder with SPF 50 for women and men. Listen up, everyone. When you are traveling, you are outside all day. Even if you don't go to a beach vacation, you can still get sunburned. Case in point, my husband's face turned bright red after just half a day of exploring the Colosseum in direct sunlight. He had applied sunscreen in the morning, but the thing about sunscreen is that you're supposed to reapply every 2 to 3 hours, and most people don't. That's where this compact powder with SPF 50 comes in handy. Whether you want to touch up your makeup or reapply sunscreen, you can do both at any time without getting your hands all dirty and sticky.
In the middle of the street.
This particular brand is from a top makeup artist in South Korea, and you can buy it on Amazon. It's called Essential Skin Noodle Cushion, and it has about medium coverage. So even if you don't wear makeup, you can still use it as a sunscreen. It gives my skin really a nice glow. It also comes with a refill. So basically you are getting 2 for the price of 1. I'll leave the link in the comment. Another travel essential I found useful on my recent trip to Italy was perfume dispenser. Perfume might seem like an essential item to pack, but it can be an essential item, especially if you have to wear the same jacket and scarf for a week long straight. I mean, you can't always wash or dry clean your clothing when you're traveling. If you are traveling to a different continent or different country, you know that you need a universal adapter. We've tried a bunch of different adapters. We are very happy with this one, and we've been using this for several years now. It has all 3 different plugs that you could possibly need anywhere in the world. Also, it comes with a variety of input options here and here. So you can charge your phones and batteries and laptop all at the same time. We usually bring 2 of these and keep 1 at each of our nightstands. In addition to this universal adapter block, you will also need this little plug adapter. This one's for Europe and Asia, where you need a 220-volt plug. You can just leave it on your hairstyling tools. You don't have to unplug everything on your block when you need to go to the bathroom and use your hairstyling tool. By the way, don't assume that you can buy this overseas easily. I mean, maybe you might be able to find this easily, but this one we learned the hard way. When we went to Korea last year, we forgot to bring this, and we had to do a lot of searching, and it wasn't fun.
I found the adapters that I really needed.
Yeah, so we've been looking, here we are. Inside the train station, we found one.
Easy.
So you never know when you're gonna find the treasure here.
And less than $1 each. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
1,001.
At the end, we got lucky, but do not make the same mistakes that we made. Just get yours already and pack it in your bag, and you'll be happier in your trip. Also, if your travel mates have different phones, let's say you have iPhone and your travel mate has Android, you need this little Android to iPhone adapter. It's just such a simple thing, but it makes your life so much easier. It's much better than bringing multiple cables and getting frustrated while trying to untangle them. I also recommend this tying it to your USB cable like this so you don't lose them. Last but not least, you need a mobile charger. If you already have one that you're happy with, do not bother. But if you're in the market for a solid, high performance, and smart charger, I've got to tell you about this charger. Anker 737 mobile charger. I mean, you can probe into the specs of this charger more in the link in the description below. But basically what this charger is all about is that it is so powerful that you can charge up to 3 devices all at the same time at great speed. You also have this smart display that you can use to monitor the charging. So if you travel with a family, and if you're a content creator, or if you are on a business trip, this power block will pretty much guarantee you that you'll always have your devices fully charged. You will never run out of battery. Almost never. You get my point. So we brought this to Italy, and this was my first time purchasing anything from this brand. So I did a little research. Unlike most mobile charging brand, this brand makes more than a mobile charger. They make solar panels, they make huge generators, so you can tell that they know what they're doing when it comes to charging. To learn more about this powerful charger, check out the link in the comment below. If you find any value in this video, please smash that like button, and if you want to support this channel even more, check out my gift shop Nove. You can go to the store tab or simply click the shopwithnove.com link in the description. By shopping at Shop with Nove, you will support not only this channel and our travel community, but also independent and up-and-coming makers from around the world. Before I go, I want to hear from you. What did you think about these essentials? Do you have anything to add? Feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in my next video.